Okay, proceeding further, we come to the next concept. It is partition. Partition of a sample space. Okay. Now, partition. What is the meaning of partition? Okay. What does the partition means? Partition means batwara. Okay. Partition means there are two different things or two different areas. Okay. And there should be no common between these two areas. There should be a border which is separating these two areas. Okay. बिफोर प्रोसीडिंग टू पार्टीशन एक बहुत ही सिंपल सा एग्जांपल मैं दूंगा जिससे आपको पार्टीशन और इजीली समझ में आ जाएगा. ओके, लेट्स टॉक अबाउट द स्कूल. In a school there are various classes. Okay, and all these classes are nothing but the partitions. Okay, if a student is in class first, then so and so student cannot be in class second also. यदि कोई स्टूडेंट क्लास 1 में है तो वो क्लास सेकंड में नहीं होगा. इनफैक्ट ही और शी विल नॉट बी इन एनी अदर क्लास. ओके, इफ अ स्टूडेंट इज if a student is of class 12th, then he will be student of class 12th only. His or her name will not be there in any other class. Okay, now coming to class also, if a student is in class 12, there also in our school there are 3 sections: 12th A, 12th B, 12th C. So if a student is of class 12th A, then his or her name will not be in the attendance register of class 12B or 12C. Okay, this is the best example of the partition. This is the best example of a partition. What is partition? Partition is nothing but there are different classes of a set, there are different subsets of a set, such that any element which belongs to one subset doesn't belongs to other subset, and secondly the union of all these subsets will be S. अगर हम सारे क्लासेस के बच्चों का यूनियन कंसिडर करेंगे देन वी विल गेट ऑल द स्टूडेंट्स ऑफ अ स्कूल. ओके, नाउ व्हाट इज पार्टीशन? लेट एस बी द सैंपल स्पेस and E1, E2, E3 dot 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 En be the subsets of S. Subsets of sample spaces, subsets, or you can say events. Okay, these events means subsets will induce or you can say form partition of S if there are two conditions. One is EI intersection EJ is equal to phi. EI intersection EJ is equal to phi means there is no common element between any two sets where this I is not equal to J and 1 less than equal to I less than equal to J means I and J both have the value from 1 to n provided they both don't have the same value. यदि हम I के लिए 1 ले रहे हैं तो J के लिए 1 नहीं आएगी, 2 से लेकर n तक कुछ भी हो सकती है. वैसे यदि J के लिए 5 है तो I के लिए 5 नहीं आएगी, I के लिए 1 से लेकर 4 तक और फिर आगे 6 से लेकर n तक कुछ भी हो सकती है, but it will not have the value 5. I and J they will not have the same value and I and J have the values from 1 to n. Further, E1 union E2 union E3 union En, this is equal to S. Okay, means from E1 to En the union of all these sets will be S. इसे इन जनरल फॉर्म में ऐसे लिखा जाता है यूनियन I from 1 to n EI, this is equal to S. Union I from 1 to n EI is equal to S. Okay, अगर इसके डायग्राम की बात करें, ये सपोज एक सैंपल स्पेस है, ठीक है. Suppose this is E1, this is E2, this is E3, This is suppose En. Now if you consider any element, of the sample space S, it will lie in any one of the event and it will not lie in other event. Suppose यहाँ का हमने कोई एलिमेंट कंसिडर किया, हम ऑब्जर्व करेंगे कि एलिमेंट यहीं पे प्रेजेंट है और कहीं भी प्रेजेंट नहीं है. और अगर आपको एग्जांपल देखना है तो सपोज एस है 1 2 3 4 5 6. ओके, E1 containing the element suppose 1, E2 containing the element suppose 2 6, E3 containing the element suppose 3 4, and E4 containing the element 5. Okay, so you can see these are 4 sets. Now if you take intersection of these sets, E1 intersection E2, no common element. E1 intersection E3, no common element. E1 intersection E4, no common element. In fact, E2 E3, no common element. E2 E4, no common element. E3 E4, no common element. Whereas if you take the union of these, okay, what do you get? 1 2 3 4 5 6, you get S. So this is nothing but this is the partition on the sample space S. Okay, what is partition? Partition means there are various subsets of a sample space S such that there is no common element between any two subsets, and the union of all the subsets will give you sample space S. The best example, school. School has various classes from 1 to 12. There is no common student between any two classes, and if you take the union of all the classes, we get all the students of the school. Okay, please note it down.